What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Truth with Ruth. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today we're talking about how to make her fall in love. A lot of men question their approach when it comes to making a woman fall in love. And that's because they know that women want to be with a man that can lead, protect, and provide. But they kind of get stuck in this mindset of they only mean leading in a setting group of people. They only mean protect as in protecting her, and they only mean provide as in provide money, right? But the reality is that she doesn't just mean lead in a group of other men and other people. She means lead in general. She means protect in general. She means provide in general. So protect her, protect the relationship, protect her secrets, protect her emotions, protect her insecurities. Lead in general, lead the relationship, lead in life, lead as an example. That's what she means. That's what she wants. Provide, not just money. Provide assurance, provide security, provide love, provide things that are required. Provide being chivalrous. Women want to be with a chivalrous man, and women want to be with a man that actually cares. Whether the woman is a modern crazy feminist woman or she's a traditional old school woman, whatever the case may be, women want to be with a man that can lead, protect, and provide. But those three things have other things in their category. So when it comes to leading, you must take initiative, which means you must pursue her with intention. Okay, so if you like this woman, pursuing her with intention is key, because she doesn't know what you want. And if she's an attractive women can recognize game. They can recognize game because they've been around it forever. They know the difference between a guy that's just trying to get into her pants and a guy that's genuinely trying to get to know her. And so if you are just approaching her in a very superficial way, she's gonna know, because she could recognize that you're just talking and you're not really about it. Therefore, your actions have to back it up. And when you pursue her, you need to be intentional about it, okay? Being chivalrous is something that a lot of men, they kind of throw it out the window because they feel like, well, I don't need to open the door for her. It's really not that serious. You know, I don't need to compliment her. It's really not that serious. And the reality is that if it's really not that serious, then why don't you just do it? It doesn't take much effort for you to just open the door. It doesn't take much effort for you to be attentive and compliment her. It's just little things that women gather all together and they analyze it, and that really moves them towards the direction of falling in love. The reason why women need patience and women take their time with things and women are indecisive, and that's really what, you know, society has said, right? Women are very indecisive. The reality is that women really look at the big picture. We're very analytical and we're very strategic with things. And a woman doesn't want to put her guards down because she's unsure if you're able to handle a woman like that. And I don't want to use the word handle because a lot of women use that word and they use it out of context, because they use the word handle as in like, oh, he can't handle me. And like, in reality, no woman needs to be handled. If you feel like you need to be handled, you need to go to the zoo, because you're not a horse, okay? So I guess what I'm trying to say is that a woman needs to know that she is safe around you, right? She needs to know that you can keep her, that you're not going to judge her, and that you're not going to hurt her. And so she needs to make sure that you are the guy that you are claiming to be. And that's why it takes time for the woman to fall in love, because again, it could all be just a facade, right? Now, when you think about it, the first couple of weeks when you date somebody, it's really like you put your best foot forward. You make little sacrifices here and there, but after maybe the second, third week, that's when your true self comes out. That's when the true habits come out. That's when you truly begin to prioritize things that are priority. And so a man that isn't prioritizing you is not going to be consistent. And that is what a woman looks for prior to her falling in love. And keep in mind, I am talking about a good, smart woman. I am not talking about no crazy, young-minded, immature woman that is out here in these streets doing God knows what. I'm talking about a good, smart woman. And so one thing that you need to keep in mind is that good, smart women do not waste their time. I actually made a TikTok a while back. If you don't follow me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me on TikTok at, I really forgot my TikTok account. The Truth with Ruth. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. Forgive me. It's been a very long day. So just cut me a break, please. Okay, so follow me at The Truth with Ruth on TikTok if you haven't. And my Instagram is The Real Truth with Ruth. Go ahead and follow me there. Anywho, I made a TikTok talking about good women don't go with the flow. And the reason why good, smart women don't go with the flow, it's because, as I mentioned, they're very strategic. They don't want to waste their time and they know what they want. And so they're not going to put themselves in a situation where not only are they going to regret it, but they're going to blame themselves for it, right? So if they are dating you for a couple of months and they see that this relationship is not going anywhere, they will literally remove themselves from the equation and you'll be wasting your own time because she will not waste her time. That's not what good, smart women do. Therefore, if you want a good, smart woman to fall in love with you, consistency is crucial because that is going to show her that this is truly who you are. You are someone that is just like this. This isn't just your representative. This is who you are, right? So all of that put together, it brings to light a healthy relationship. And that is very attractive to a good, smart woman because she understands that a healthy relationship is going to nourish her. And so if you want this woman, being great to her and being your best self is going to be your best bet because she has most likely dated a guy that looks better than you. She has most likely dated a guy that has more money than you. And the reason why she's entertaining you is because she is seeing who you are. Good, smart women have substance and they are not the type of women that are young-minded, superficial, shallow, and naive. The reality is that they understand the difference between wasting their time, potential, and reality. And they do not want to create this imaginary story in their head, right? That you and her are together when you're actually not together. So if you want to be official with this woman, if you want her to be your girlfriend because you do want to get married in the future, you need to vocalize that. A good, smart woman is not going to read your mind. And so if you want her to fall in love with you, as you are pursuing her with intentions and you're showing her that you are this chivalrous man and you're showing her that you truly are this person with great character, then you have to vocalize that you see her as someone that you want to spend more than just your part-time with. You want her to be your girlfriend and you want to date exclusively because this is going to let her know that you're not dating anyone else and you don't want her to date anyone else because good, smart women love clarity. And when there is clarity, you have like an 80% chance return that that woman is going to fall in love with you because she understands that she can feel safe around you. And so creating a safe environment really means that you're making her feel secure. You're not making fun of her with immature jokes about whatever you think is funny. Women have insecurities. I mean, everyone has insecurities, but there's some women that, I mean, they're very sensitive. And so something can grow into an insecurity when it's actually not an insecurity. And then you don't know if it's a hidden insecurity. So just don't make fun of a woman if you are not really sure of how she's going to take it, especially when you're just dating her, because the reality is that you don't even know her like that. So why risk that relationship by creating some type of scar? Something that you got to realize is that people don't always remember what you say, but they always remember how you made them feel. And so you want to keep that in mind when you are dating her. So now that you're pursuing her with intention, now that you're showing her that you're a man with great character, now that you're showing her that you want something serious because you have vocalized that, you have been very, aware that, hey, listen, I want this woman and I want her to know. that is attractive to a woman. Good, smart women love go-getters. So being that man shows that you are a leader. That means that you can lead. You are leading the relationship in a positive way. You are providing security. You are providing solutions. Women love a man that can solve problems. And so if it's snowing and you're having dinner with her, go outside and clean the snow off her car just because that shows masculinity in your part. You're gonna look so much more attractive because you're solving that problem for her. She likes that. So you're already providing solutions for her. Okay, you are protecting her. And what does protecting means? Protecting means getting ahead of problems before they arise. So for example, if you and her are about to go to a concert, right? And so there's going to be so many people there. You're going to say, hey, hold my hand. Let's go through because there's going to be a lot of people. I don't want people to be pushing you out the way. Oh, okay. You are like on top of it and you're protecting me. Like, you're taking control. That is very attractive to a woman. And that's what's going to make her fall in love with you, because she's going to see that you are attentive. She doesn't have to worry when she's around you. And creating a safe environment for women, it helps the woman really be comfortable in her femininity, because she doesn't have to be masculine. A lot of the times women are masculine because they feel like they need to take control, they need to handle something, they need to take care of something. And if you're able to solve problems for her, if you're able to make her feel safe, that is going to help her grow in her femininity. She's going to blossom in her femininity. And the way she's going to receive your love is going to be very obvious that she's into you, because she's going to be better to you. So if you liked her now, like for example, if you liked her on a scale from 1 to 10 at a 7, and you go hard for that woman, by the time she falls in love with you, you're going to like her at a 13. Because like I mentioned, when you appreciate a good woman, she appreciates, and you're going to see more value in that woman. But gentlemen, women, we want to feel appreciated just like you. Okay, so don't make it more complicated than it is. It really just goes down to being a good man. You got to understand that once you pursue a good, smart woman, it just shows how valuable you are as a man. So assuming that you think that this woman is a good, smart woman and she turns out to be trash, the reality is that you don't need to be trash, because you're not trash. You don't reciprocate trash energy, because that's not who you are. Some people are just not good people. And so you can't blame all women, just how we can't blame all men, right? But if you want a woman to fall in love with you, the best thing for you to do is to really move forward and give your best, because as the leader, you are the one that must pursue her. Her job is simply just to receive you. She's in control of what she entertains. She is not in control of what she can grasp, because it's not her job to go after what she wants when we're talking about a man scenario. Her job, if she wants a man, is just to be seen. If I want a man, I'm not going to go up to that man and be like, hey, here's my number, because no, that's not my job. My job is to just be seen. And then that gentleman must approach me if I am what he is looking for. So if you want that woman, you pursue that woman. And based on how she reciprocates your energy, that is how you're going to know that she is the woman for you. But take your time. Remember that if you know that she's the one, there's really no reason to wait. Sometimes waiting hurts you rather than helps you. So don't overthink it, gentlemen. If you got this far into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want one-on-one coaching, all you have to do is send me an email at contact@askcoachruth.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys again next time.